You guys looking for crazy simple and crazy good? I got one for you today. Chicken and dumplings. I cook it all the time, every year. Everybody rants and raves about it. It's so simple, so good. Chicken thighs, tortillas, cream of chicken soup. Crazy simple and crazy good. Y'all check this out. This is a list of our ingredients. Like I said, super simple. You got boneless, skinless chicken thighs, Campbell's cream and mushroom soup, and some tortillas. A little salt and pepper, and this is easy peasy, guys. Load these into, a pot, and we'll fill it up with water and boil it up. Couldn't be any easier. What I like to do with these tortillas is I like to cut them up like a pizza. Just cut it down the middle, turn it around. Like I said, just like slicing a pizza. And if you need to cook it the next day, if you want to prep, you can put these in a Ziploc, throw some flour in there, throw them in the freezer, and these dumplings are magic, man. I'm telling you, you won't be using biscuits anymore. Once you boil your chicken up, you just tong them out, put them into a bowl or a plate or something, and get ready to shred them. We'll use all that broth. That stock is going to be the base for our dumplings. Depending on how rich you want your stock, I like mine probably a little rich, so I've got 2 cans here on camera. I went ahead and threw an extra 2 cans in, so I've got 4 cans in there to give me a nice rich stock. So when I add my tortillas, I try to be somewhat careful just so they don't stick to one another, and just add them in there. And again, however many tortillas really depends on how many people you're gonna feed. We were just feeding 3 of us, so I think I used maybe 5 or 6, but if I was feeding more, I would load more tortillas in there. Tell you, once you try these tortilla dumplings, you won't go back to biscuits. And most folks aren't even going to know they're tortillas. I mean, they really do hit the spot. All right, guys, taste test time. It's pretty serious. You guys even run chicken fry out.